Hey bartenders, welcome back to the another session. We will learn around the shoulder in this session. It is important basic exhibition flair move. This move mainly used performing around the shoulder stall, nest, snatch and many ways. This kind of moves make the guest wow. You need to practice this move 1 hour for 7 days to make this move confident and perfect. It can be used in many variations. Now I will show two variations. Around the shoulder left hand catch, around the shoulder same hand catch. We can perform this move with tin and bottle. Equipment should be readily available and make sure it should not be wet while using. For this move we need to warm up wrist like rotate and warm up the shoulder like this. Grab the bottle, tennis grab, and when we releasing the bottle from here, just we need to flick the wrist like this way. Then it will get like this. And we need to catch in left hand. Release and catch. First we need to do hop flip around the shoulder for practice. When you're confident with hop flip, go with single flip and catch in left hand. Now I am going to show around the shoulder with same hand. First practice hop flip and catch neck and then go for single flip. When you're confident with single flip, just do stall. Just do stall. Watch the base and take land on knuckle. Like this. We need to perform around the shoulder with both the hands. Now I am going to show around the shoulder with left hand. Hop flip and catch in right hand. After that, go with single flip and catch in right hand. When you're confident with single flip, just go through same hand. Go with same hand. Hop flip, same hand, and hop flip and single flip, same hand. Now I am going to be show move completely. Now I am going to show this move in variations. Knuckle stall and nest. Just we need to catch in shaker. This is snatch move. Now I am going to be show around the shoulder with glass bottle. First practice hop flip, catch in left hand and go with single flip. Once you're done with left hand, practice around the shoulder same hand. First practice hop flip around the shoulder and practice around the shoulder single flip. And when you're confident with single flip, just do stall. For stalling, you need to observe the base and take land on the knuckle. Observe the base, take land on the knuckle and balance the bottle. We can make this move in many stalls, like here forearm and elbow, reverse forearm. Now I am going to show forearm stall with glass bottle.
you.